How to install RedNote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Then simply click on search bar located on top. Click on search bar and search for RedNote. Or simply type RedNote app. You'll find RedNote app. Click on install and then your RedNote app will be installed. After that, you can simply open and create an account and use RedNote account. You can also add profile picture or log in with your Google account or your number. And then you're good to go. That's how to install RedNote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.